How to change Netflix plan. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can change your Netflix plan, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your Netflix account's plan, we are not going to use the app because the application has very limited features and options. So instead what we want to do is we want to open up our favorite browser, go to netflix.com, then sign into our Netflix account. Once you go to netflix.com and sign into the account, just tap the three lines icon located at the top left hand side of the screen. Then just tap the option called account as you can see over here. Once you tap on the option called account, you're going to be taken to this page where you'll most likely find the option called change plan. Currently you can see that I have a basic plan. So if I want to upgrade or downgrade the plan, I'll just tap the change plan button. This is my current plan, which is the basic plan. If I want to downgrade it to mobile, I can just select 480p, or I can just select standard if I want to watch in standard and full resolution, or I can select the premium ultra HD, which is the 4K price over here. Once I've done that, I can just tap the continue button and then just confirm the change of my plan, and my plans are going to take changes effectively right away. That is it on how you can change Netflix plan. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.